Very often, you'll see the unit truck on municipal work sites, where it was chosen for its superb performance and versatility. The extreme maneuverability of the base unit and the highly efficient and nearly dust-free operation of the sweeping machine make unit truck the machine of choice for cleaning pavements, parking lots, and other paved surfaces. The parallel suspension of the main broom allows thorough cleaning on uneven grounds and even on cobblestone surfaces. The tough steel and polypropylene bristles of the broom neatly remove even crusted dirt. An optional water spray moistens the sweeping area, including the front of the gutter brush, and prevents dust from rising. All debris is collected in the integrated debris container. The gutter brushes remove dirt from the street boundaries. Removal of weeds and moss is no problem for a gutter brush with these special steel bristles. GRUNIG also offers an attachment specially designed for extreme applications in weed removal. The weed tiller head is made of plates of steel wire with strong scraping capabilities. Environment protection gave rise to the new mechanical weed removing technology. It's rapidly replacing infrared and chemicals. Thanks to its low weight, the unit truck is easy on lawns and golf courses. Equipped with front mower and suction material collector, the unit truck represents the ideal lawn mowing machine for parks. The suction system can also be used for leaf removal. Hygienic reasons require the regular exchange of sand on playgrounds. The unit truck equipped with a 0.2 or 0.4 cubic meter bucket is a perfect tool for this task. GRUNIG's attachment program also features a hydraulic backhoe for the unit truck. The technical parameter offers more than 2 meters digging depth and an easy 2-lever 4-function control. 35 or 45 centimeter buckets are available. Moving stones? No problem for the unit truck with the special clamp tool. The Model 4W950 1200 kilo transports stone pallets easily. In industry, the unit truck is increasingly considered the key machine for general maintenance, material transport, and other jobs. In industry, we find many more popular applications of the unit truck and its range of options and attachments. For instance, GRUNIG's industrial vacuum cleaner is being used for cleaning factories of chips and splinters of all kinds, especially those harmful to human health. The optional exhaust catalytic converter facilitates indoor operation. Loading and unloading a parcel delivery van by hand is outdated in the day of the unit truck. Only this man has to continue to work by hand.